Good morning, students. I am Professor Nitesh Sharma. Students, today I am teaching you medicines and biotechnology. Student, this topic, medicines and biotechnology, is included in the paper second, genetics and biotechnology of BSc part second. Students, in this topic, medicines and biotechnology, we will study that how we can use biotechnology in the field of medicines. Medical biotechnology is the use of living cells and cell materials to research and produce pharmaceutical and diagnostic products that help treat and prevent human diseases. The medical biotechnology field has helped bring to market microbial pesticides, insect resistant crops, and environmental cleanup techniques. So, students, there are various applications of biotechnology in the field of medicines. Biotechnology has a variety of applications in the field of medicine. Some of the biotechnology applications in medicine include the following: recombinant insulin. Insulin is required by diabetic patients to remove excess sugar from the blood. Diabetic patients have a very low level of insulin or no insulin produced by the body. Therefore, they need external insulin to control blood glucose levels. Later, it was discovered that the insulin produced by the pancreas of the pigs can be used by humans. But there were not enough pigs to provide the quantities of insulin required. This led to the cloning of the human insulin gene. The specific gene sequence that codes for human insulin were introduced in Escherichia coli, that is E. coli bacteria. The gene sequence altered the genetic composition of the E. coli cells. Within 24 hours, several E. coli bacteria containing the recombinant human insulin gene were produced. The recombinant human insulin was isolated from E. coli cells. So the next application is in the field of gene therapy. Gene therapy holds the most promising answer to the problem of genetic diseases. Gene therapy is used to treat genetic disorders, usually by the insertion of a normal gene or correct gene for the defective or inactive gene into an individual with the help of vectors such as retrovirus, adenovirus, and herpes simplex virus. So, students, the normal gene replaces the defective or inactive gene and carries out its functions. The therapy has the highest chances of developing a permanent cure if introduced in the earliest stages of life. The next application is molecular diagnosis. Students, medical diagnosis is another application of biotechnology in the health sector. Many times the pathogen concentration increased by the time the disease is diagnosed. Hence, early diagnosis and knowledge of pathophysiology are essential for an effective cure. This can be achieved with the help of techniques such as recombinant DNA technology, polymerase chain reaction, and enzyme linked immunosorbent assay, that is ELISA, etc. So, students, next application is in the field of pharmacogenomics. So, in the field of pharmacogenomics has led to the production of drugs that are best suited to an individual's genetic makeup. It can be applied in diseases such as cancer, depression, HIV, asthma, etc. In the field of edible vaccines, vaccines are obtained by animals and cell cultures. These vaccines contain inactivated pathogens. The transgenic plants can produce antigens that can be used as edible vaccines. Antigenic proteins from several pathogens can be expressed in plants such as tomato and banana. Transgenic sugar beet can treat foot and mouth diseases of animals. Transgenic banana and tomato can cure diseases such as cholera and hepatitis B. So, students, there are various applications of biotechnology in the field of medicines which are as follows. Fermentation is an ancient invention of biotechnology. Alcohol and bread are being produced since ages with the help of microorganisms such as yeast. In today's scenario, the culture have been purified and genetically refined to produce high quality food products. Crop improvement by crossing the plant breeds with desired traits is another application of biotechnology in the agriculture sector. So, student, transgenic plants are genetically engineered to produce plants with desired characteristics. Tissue culture is another application of biotechnology to produce a large number of plants with an explant. It also helps in increasing the number of endangered plant species. It is also helpful in forensics for the identification of criminals or in paternal disputes. So, there are various scopes of biotechnology in the field of medicines which are as follows. Biotechnology is applied to various fields and many industries such as food, pharmaceuticals, medicine, agriculture, etc. It has its scope in both research and engineering. Genetic engineering has helped in the production of therapeutic proteins as well as biological organisms. Biotechnology has made major advances in molecular biology and industrial biotechnology. The scope of biotechnology is extended to various branches of biology. Some of these include tissue culture, development of transgenic plants and animals, development of antibodies, etc. USA itself has established more than 200 companies such as Biogen, Cetus, Hybridtech, etc. So, students, now you are able to understand the use of biotechnology or the application of biotechnology in the field of medicines. Thanks for listening and thanks for your patience. Have a great day.